how to add columns on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add columns in Notion. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So let's get started. First, open up Notion in your browser. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click the login button. Once you're in, you'll see your workspaces. Click into the one where you want to add columns. Now head to the specific page where you'd like to do the layout magic. If it's a new page, just click and start typing in the empty space. Now here's the fun part, adding the columns. Type /column in the editor. You'll see Notion /command menu pop up showing different column layouts. You can pick 2 columns, 3 columns, or even more depending on what your project needs. Click on the layout you like and your page will instantly change to that column format. You can now type into each column, drag stuff around, move blocks from one column to the other, or even resize them by dragging the divider between the columns. So yeah, that's all there is to it. You've now added columns in Notion and leveled up your workspace game. If this helped, feel free to check out more of our Notion tutorials to get the most out of your workspace. See you in the next one.